Welcome back. What do you mean, back? Well, I just did this video and deleted it, so I guess you don't know that. So I made a mistake, and that's the problem. Sometimes you have to redo. It was just a mess. It's a very common error, and I caught it right away, but it's something I'll highlight to make sure that you guys don't make the same mistake, or at least try to make it less. That's all we can try to do, right? Anyways, this problem right here, we are given f of x. F of x function notation is 3x plus 4 for me. It's given right there. Okay. And they said, okay, first question is, what is f of a? Well, this function notation just means you've got to plug a in wherever you add x. Whatever is in this parentheses, you're substituting it in. So it's 3 times a plus 4, which is 3a plus 4. All right, there it is. Boom. Okay. Next one, f of a plus h. So f of a plus h. And this is equal to 3 times a plus h plus 4. What does that make it? 3a plus 3h when you distribute plus 4. And that's what that equals. Wonderful. Right there it is. Okay, the last one. F of a plus h minus f of a all over h. Well, we've done the first two. We've done this part right here. That's right here. We've done this one right there. That's up here. So and then h is just h. So let's fill in. Maybe give ourselves a break here, a little breaking up the work. And so we have 3a plus 3h plus 4 minus sign. Be careful. Whenever you subtract things, please put whatever you're substituting in into brackets or parentheses. I'm using the brackets just to help me not make this mistake. This is where I made the mistake and you missed that outtake. It's 3a plus 4. But this subtraction sign is all of f of a. F of a is this up here, right? It's the whole thing. So you're subtracting this whole thing, so you have to distribute the negative sign. Do not forget that. Okay, so this is h. So this is 3a plus 3h plus 4 minus 3a minus 4. Now, if you could have done this, simplified this last step in your head, I'm all for it. If you can skip a few steps when you're simplifying, just be careful. You can't show no work. If I'm able to follow your work and you're able to simplify within the reason that I would do, I can accept it. If you're doing far more simplification than even I would, I'm going to start to question whether maybe you should have shown a few more steps. So look here. Now we can simplify here. This is out, and we're left with 3h over h. Well, what does that do? That does this. So now we're at 3. This whole thing simplifies to 3, and that's our answer. And we're done.